You're probably wondering why I'm sitting around in an olive drab t-shirt with a 67 Mustang hardtop back behind me. Well, the simple reason is we had what I am now terming the incident on Friday, June 18th. We had something pretty terrible happen here at our palatial Ford estate and compound. And I'm not going to talk about the incident here on this channel. I will in the future be putting a video up on a completely brand new channel to talk about what happened here on Friday, but I don't want to do it here because this is something that is all car related, and what I'm going to be talking about is decidedly not about cars. Now, within the incident, no one was hurt, no one was killed, we didn't have a problem like that. It was nothing to do with anything within the confines of this shop. But what it did do is it stopped me from being able to produce videos for 2 days. Friday, when the incident happened, is my normal shoot day for Manic Mechanic, and Saturday is our normal shoot day for Autorestomod. Because of the incident on Friday, I could not work on Saturday because I had to go take care of things relating to the incident on Saturday. So confusing just thinking about all this stuff. Suffice it to say, though, that everything is okay. We are still able to produce videos, but just this week, because of what happened, I was not able to get a video up other than this one, which is being shot with one camera, me by myself. And that tells you why we've got that going on. But there are some sizable things coming in the future for the shows. Some cool stuff going to be happening in there. So just keep tuned on what we're doing around here. Do me a favor, check out our Patreon account. I'm not going to go on all the big doodly-doo on that, but we've got some really cool stuff coming for our patrons. We will be starting to produce Patreon-only content. It's not going to be videos on the scale that we're doing right now. It's just going to be smaller videos, but you Patreon guys have been really good to us so far. If you're joining Patreon, we're going to be having videos as well as the Zoom meetings that we normally do, where we do tech talk and all that, and we kind of try to, play Stump the Chump. Another thing I'd like for you to do is please go out and subscribe. I know this is not a normal video for us, but we do these things like clockwork pretty much every week for both Manic Mechanic and for Autorestomod. So with all that being said, as I have said before, please like each other, love on each other. You guys have a great week, and we'll see you next time on Autorestomod and Manic Mechanic.